I think I'll try one of these pineapple bowls with rice. Probably the sticky rice. This guy's selling a lot of these all at once. 这个 Nermi is that Nermi 好，我想买一个Nermi 不 Nermi 拉的吗？拉 can okay can. First time I'm going to try this pineapple rice here on Jinli Street, the famous street food street in Chengdu, China. So this is the first time I tried this pineapple rice bowl. So I was told it was sweet rice, sticky rice, and it's supposed to be not spicy. I think it's more of a dessert snack. This rice dish is sweet, sticky rice, and it's has pineapple flavor in the rice. Has goji berries and other things. In the Jinli Street Market here, and I met these two young ladies. They're helping me with my Chinese, so I get to practice.
我拍他拍你们。
你可以说英文吗？
Hello. Yes, a little.
Can you speak English?
No.
No, I'm English is very poor. I'm low. I'm
Okay, we're hiding behind our camera. 我很高兴认识你，在金利家。
Yes, nice to meet you.
Street.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah, I learned some.
最溜的一句就这句了。
那你
只会做一句。
对，你待会儿对着他镜头直接
说的最好的一句，
你就直接比这样，你说 six， 就说他很牛。
哎，对，
可以吧？很。
我觉得这最会的一句就是 Nice to meet you too。真的，完了，羞愧，惭愧。
So this is really spicy food. If I eat this, my lips will be like Angelina Jolie's. I just finished my pineapple bowl. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to eat the inside of the pineapple bowl. You're there with me. You're there with me. 再见. You're here with me at the street market here in Chengdu, China. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you get a chance, check out my other videos on my travels to China and other parts of Asia, and also my experiences eating the street food and cooking in Canada.